Hey, I know styling that bandana sometimes can be really hectic, like how do I do it? But I'm right here to make things easy for you loves. Anyways, as you get into that, please like this video, shares out there, talk to me in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. Since I've lost my bandana. Oh, it's right here. So we're going to dive into it. I'm going to show you two simple ways in which you can actually do it. That is, when you have a small sized bandana, I don't know if you'll get deeper into the medium size or just large and small, but anyways, just make sure that you do watch to the very end. We'll also give you a bonus link to more amazing tutorials. Okay, so whatever you need for this particular style is just you having the vibe, and also you have your very own bandana like this. And particularly this style has been, you know, inspired by Eminem. Okay, the before and now, whichever, but let's just dive into it. Okay, drum rolls. So the other thing that you need is, it depends on your hair. I don't know if you're bald, this is the style for you. If you've got lots of hair, it's also the style for you. If you have got braids, I don't know, whichever style you have, hairstyle you have right now, this is the style best for you. So let's just do it. Okay, so if you want to hold your hair towards the back, just have a hairband. You haven't combed your hair, just have a comb with you and make it quick, because we're not here to spend the entire day doing the same thing. Remember, it is easy and quick. So you can have a mirror. I'm trying to fix mine so that I can see whatever I'm doing as I show you guys. Okay, so yeah, I think right there, yeah, right there we can see what is happening. So pick your bandana like this. Remember, bandana has the outer side and also it has the inner side whereby the sewing is being seen. The next thing is you place it on a flat surface like this, making sure that the inner side, that is the side in which the inner sewing is being seen, it's facing towards the top. Okay, like that, and then you pick it from that side towards this side to have something like that. I like it like that. It looks like, what is this shape? I don't know, triangle. Yeah, so in this case for me, I would like just to hold my hair a little bit at the back. You have two decisions. After holding the hair, you can just release it after you've done the knotting and all, but then you can also choose your hair to stay like this. So let's start with the hair held, and then afterwards you're going to do it with the hair falling back. So I'm just going to just like that, not even much, easy, just like that. So the next thing you do is you pick the bandana. When you look at your bandana, mostly you'll have these sides showing. Some of it will be showing the inner side, and so that side is the one that will be lying on top of your hairs, like that. Just flip it like that. Need to just be onto your head. This size, the size of your fold is also determined by if you have lots of hair or you do not have lots of hair. So if you have less hair, this is the perfect size for you. And then you bring it, if you want to do it like Eminem. Eminem used to hide kind of his eyebrows in a way, so you bring it all the way towards your eyes like that, and then you hold this side, and make a knot at the back. You can choose the knot to be under or below this one there, or on top of it, but for it to look way better at the front, just place it on top of it like that. So you can choose to have your ears on the inside or the outside. Make it smooth and you're not tight enough and not too tight. You can also choose to do this. You see the way it looks like that? Tuck in these wings like that, so that it looks smooth. And on this other side, you see, let me just show you a picture of Eminem in the days. I don't know if the camera is giving it justice, but I really hope so. You see, when you look at it, you look onto the side, this thingy is not popping outside like this. you cannot even see its presence, right? Now, how do you achieve that? You just tuck in. You see, you just pick this side and then seem like you're tucking this inside like that, and you have something clean and neat like that. Wasn't that easy? So if you watched this far and you liked it, before I show you the other way, when you have so much hair and all, because if you have lots of hair, this size might be hectic for you. And also, before I also show you when you have your hair falling towards the back, I really appreciate it if you like this video. Please just give me that thumbs up. You can also share us out there. Just tell someone about this channel. Also make sure that you do subscribe so that you do not miss out on any amazing tutorial that comes your way. More are coming. There are already others, and also I'm going to be giving you a bonus link to more tutorials, so make sure that you watch to the very end. So please do that. I really appreciate. Just subscribe. Just give me that subscription. So the next one is with the same bandana. You can actually release it and now undo it. But now when you're doing your folding, the first fold, remember we're just doing one, we are just tying it once. When you're doing it, let not it reach to this end. Do it up to the center, like to the middle part, somewhere there. You see, now we did that way, it's way bigger. Now it becomes like a larger size, but this is too large, and we also want it to look smart on the outer side, so increase it, pull it a little bit towards the bottom, that way, and then you have something like that. But if you have lots of hair and you had done it just like this, what you can do is make another fold on top here to have something like that, you see. But the easiest way is just pushing it all the way that way up to there. Okay, so the next thing is just to flip it and then make your knot, tie your knot on top of this wing. You see now it's bigger and it has covered most of our hairs. That's what we want to achieve. Remember the same thing, Eminem, we place it all the way towards your eyebrows. Not a must, you can always place it here if that's what you want, but for a style of the day, that is how we're doing it. Please like the video, and also you can check out more of my videos. Okay, here it's all about beauty and style and vlogs coming soon. Anyways, you place it right there, you see. When it is big, you do not even have to keep on doing the tucking in and all. It automatically gives you that smooth ride. The reason why we were previously tucking it is because of the small size that was on top. For Eminem, he used not to like really tuck in his ears, but in all this is the way you'll feel most comfortable. So you don't have to tuck your ears on the inside, but for me, I'll tuck it halfway. I prefer it that way. Right? You see, his ears are always out and popping. His ears are just out and popping every other second. But in this case, I prefer mine being outside. So you just do you, whichever way you feel best. But look, even with the ears outside, it looks amazing. With the ears inside, it also looks amazing. So, but I feel as for me, let's say, you see the way it looks at the back. I told you guys, we're going to look at it with the ears outside. With the hair not held. So with the ears not held, what I would prefer now, my ears to be outside. Now that's what changes everything. No, you see now, because we have the presence of the hair right there. Told you don't have to do it all the way. That's for the sake of today's. So there's my hair outside. You can choose to bring it all the way here. It all depends with how you want it, okay? but this style is the same. Oh my god, it looks good like that. Showing some little bit, some hairs looks good. Why is it not doing smooth hair? So guys, that's how you do it easily. So for a bonus link, I'm going to just place it in the description. Just check for a playlist that is on tutorials, hair and styles. There you're going to find more amazing tutorials upcoming, others that you've done previously, styling like Tupac, I don't know, so many. How to fold a bandana like a tie. There's just so many for you guys. You cannot finish all of them in a day. But anyways, let's just keep watching. Tell someone about this channel, shares out there. Make sure that you do subscribe if I added any value to you. Just subscribe to this channel, and I'll really appreciate it if we saw each other on the next video. And I told you the only way you're going to see each other is for you to make sure that you do subscribe and turn on the notification. You can also check me out on my socials at ms__Maureen. If you've watched this far, thank you. So also click right here. You can click here, it's easier, and you're going to reach to other tutorials right here. I love this outcome, it's good. But as usual, I want my hair held at the back for the day, for my day's activities. But this one was quite easy. See you in the next one, loves.